Hey everybody, here's my first update on the Meng Tiger group build. So I am building the Meng Tiger 1, the German heavy tank, and I got everything pretty much assembled and have not painted it yet, but the pieces I want to detail, I got it just sitting in there. So this is where I'm at so far. Really cool kit. Look even better once it's painted. But I have it so these come off. The shovel comes off still. On the back, these little things are still loose. The back piece comes off. See, I do have the front ones. Front ones are still off. I'm going to paint them a little bit different and chip them. The back ones come off because I got this back door, so it comes off. So this will actually slide in there. The reason I got that so it'll come off. And then these will come off as well, the extra tracks. I am trying something different. So that is an LED, and it is from one of those Halloween. They also have Christmas, them little fake them LED candles. I don't think I have one sitting around, but anyhow, I popped that apart and I shaved this down a little bit and sanded it down because they are just a really hard plastic, but you got to be careful when you cut them that they do fly off pretty quick. They'll get in your eye, so be careful with that. And I got it wired. The wires go all the way through. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. This still comes off. It's very snug, but that does come off. The wires go through. Just in case I have to do something with that in the future to get this to work. So I was doing my research and looking around. I like to look around on the kits I build for painting ideas, and you know, just anything I could add on to any of my builds. And in the past I've always seen these real cool tanks where they have the lid up blast coming out of the cannon. And I came across the fellow model builder on YouTube. I'm going to probably butcher the name, but it's Spidiq 8. SPIDIQ 8. Well, anyhow, he did this the same kit back in 2018. And I saw that on Google. And I saw the picture. I was like, man, that's really sharp. And here it ended up taking me to the YouTube channel. Well, my last build, the James Bond helicopter, he did that, and I watched his video and got some really good tips, and here I'm within a week finding another one of his builds for some ideas. So I'm going to put his link down in the description if you guys want to check him out. It'd be pretty cool. He don't just do any kind of model cars or anything. He does everything, but he also does a lot of other stuff. So it's quite random what you're going to get, but his videos are very good. He seems like a very good guy. He's helped me out a few times now, so I didn't want to just steal the idea and you know, just use it for myself. Give him a little credit, you know. But I'm adding an LED to it, and I'm going to try the where they had the explosion lit up with cotton balls. So I was just messing with a cotton ball. This is not what it's going to look like to say, but you know, do something like that, and you mix Mod Podge and water, and you mix it into this, and you kind of get it hard, and then you can do some airbrushing of some black and yellow. And you want to do airbrushing because you want it very light. You don't want it overpowering. And so I'll do that, and then I'll probably do so bursts like that, and have it lit up. So let me try to light this up so you guys can kind of get a glimpse of what it'll look like. I used some tape last time. I'm just going to actually hold the 3 volt battery in my hand. So it is just a coin cell battery. I did wire it up right, so red is positive and black is negative. Now it's very bright in here right now, but you can kind of see it flickering, and that's because it came out of one of them fake candles. Now all it is just wiring the wires to the leads of the LEDs and the battery. There's no resistor, there's no other circuits. It's just that simple, and that's how simple it is in them actual plastic candles. So this is what I'm going to add to this build. The build is easy enough, so I figured why not add some complication to it and try something new. So, but there's that build, just in case you guys didn't see. A little Sherman, that way you guys can see the big difference on it. These Meng kits, they go together so well. They're so much fun. I'm gonna do the weathering like I did this one. This one's gonna have a little bit more of a camo, when this one was pretty much just one color, and the other colors is just the rust and chipping. So this one's gonna have some green and browns in it. I'm gonna do some camo to it. They're very light camo from what I saw online. There's not a whole lot of pictures on these, so it's not a lot of reference, because I was looking at pictures of the blast pattern, because I didn't know if the blast would actually come out of these holes. But I went with what I could find, and that's the best image of a cannon blast I saw. It looked pretty cool. I'll probably hide a wire in there, so, and super glue a wire to this to give it some strength. But there it is. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a good one.